Hi everyone, this is just a bit of a bundling game here. Now, to start off with, what I've done here is I've drawn a 10 frame, and this 10 frame's got 10 squares in it, and you'll see it's got 5 in each row. 5 in each row, and so on. So we call those the 10 frame. This one is called the hundreds. This one's going to be where my 10s go, and I'm going to place my 1s here. And what I'm going to do is I could use a 6-sided dice, either a numeral one or a dot one. I prefer to start with the dot ones and then work my way up to these, whatever you prefer or whatever you have. What I do here is I always roll for the ones. Whenever I get 10 of these, I'm going to trade 10 ones for 1 10. When I get 10 10s, I'm going to trade all of those for 100. And that's where we'll stop today. So, what do you use? Today I'm using just the counters that we have at school, but you might not have these counters, I understand that. What could you use? You could use Smarties, you could use jelly beans, you could use Skittles, anything at all that you can count. So you get 10 of these, always takes one of those. We're always the same as one of those. So here's how I start the game. Always roll for my ones. 5. And I place them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I prefer to do it in a row so that I can see that when I've got a row, I know I've got 5. So when it comes to counting, I don't need to count all of them. I know it'll be 5 plus something. A 2. As I said, what's my score now? 5 and 2, which makes 7. A 3. I place them all in there. 1, 2, 3. You see that I've got a row of, I've got a full board, that's 10, so I'm going to take 10 off. 10 ones is the same as 1 10. Now I continue rolling my ones. 3. 1, 2, 3. My score now is 1 10 and 3 ones, which is 13. Roll for my ones again. 5. I place all 5 on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. I roll again. 1. Place it in there. Now I know that whatever I roll now, I'm going to do a trade. Oops. 5. Now put all 5 out there. 1. So you can see the rest of the board. 2, 3, 4, 5. First of all, I'll get rid of my 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's get rid of those because 10 ones is the same as 1 10. Those 4 that were left over are the start of my next bundle, or my next 10. Here we go. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 ones is the same as 1 10. I keep going until I gradually fill this up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. The same principle applies. 10 ones makes 1 10. 10 10s makes 100. So you can use colours, you could use different sorts of pasta, you could use matchsticks, you could use a lot. You can practice doing this for speed, you could practice doing it what number can you get up to in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever. Have fun.